Hi guys, I'm Alexander Koshenkov from the GridGain Control Center team. You may have experienced problems when you optimize or troubleshoot queries. They can be related to partitioning data across cluster nodes or to collocating data relative to each other. Today, we will walk through how to investigate the root cause of a problem when you notice high CPU usage. Let's get started. Now I started a 4-node cluster and a simple app that runs some read operations. And I've got an alert from Control Center about high CPU usage. So let's open Control Center and take a look at the dashboards. Here we see one of our nodes intensively uses CPU, unlike the other nodes. The first obvious thought is that something is wrong with data distribution. We can check it on the caches screen. Let's open it. We have 3 caches, and on the partition distribution screen we see how many partitions and keys, primary and backups, are stored on each node. And looks like everything is fine for all caches. What we can do next is to find out how many operations are performed on each node, for example cache gets. Finally, we see the difference. For one of our caches, we have a lot of operations performed only on one particular node. But keep in mind that we have no problems with data distribution. The only reason I know it could be is the celebrity users problem. It looks like we have a company that is much bigger than others, and most of the operations are related to it. Let's return to the cache screen and check the cache configuration. Okay, we see read from backup is equal to false. So now it is completely obvious why all the operations are invoked on one node. The read from backup parameter helps to prevent reading stale data, but there is a trade-off. Let's enable it. In Apache Ignite 3.0 we will be able to do it on the fly, but for the current version we have to recreate a cache. Done. Let's check the cache configuration now. Read from backup is true. And let's check the dashboards again. CPU load looks fine now. We see that every node has almost equal load. And cache gets chart is also fine. Cool. So we can use Control Center to check data distribution across all our nodes, to check node load in different scenarios, and to see detailed information about each cache, including cache configuration. This helps a lot to find out the root cause of the problem in complicated cases. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments. Hope this guide was helpful for you. See you!